Okay guys, here's what we've got. Tax hitting about 1,000 right now. Running up the road. Still very cold. That's wide open. Ridden about 4,000. Be a spark plug now that you guys mentioned it. I'm not pushing it past 4,000 K, so I think I will change the plug. That's it, but you guys can tell me what you think. So that's it. That's what we got. Goes up to about 4,000, and I don't want to push it any farther than that. But we're idling about looks like 100, I guess 100 RPM at 1. And when it does run, it does feel like it's missing on one cylinder. If I remember correctly from what I saw on YouTube, you have to pull a radiator to get to the spark plugs. Is that correct? And I guess this thing just has 2 spark plugs. Anyway, if you guys can answer that or point me to a YouTube video on how to replace the plugs, I would really appreciate it. Thanks again, guys.